In today's unpredictable world, being prepared for emergencies is not a hobby, it's a necessity. Those who take proactive steps to prepare for unexpected events are commonly known as preppers. Preppers understand the importance of having the right gear on hand to ensure their safety and the safety of their loved ones in times of crisis. Whether you're just starting your preparedness journey or you're a seasoned prepper looking to update your gear, this comprehensive guide will cover the must-have survival gear you should consider including in your emergency kit. Water filtration and purification. Water is the elixir of life, and having a reliable means to source, filter, and purify water is paramount in any survival scenario. Preppers should equip themselves with essential tools such as water filters, purification tablets, and collapsible water containers. Water filters, such as the LifeStraw or Sawyer Mini Water Filtration System, are compact devices designed to remove harmful bacteria, parasites, and microorganisms from natural water sources. They provide a crucial line of defense against waterborne illnesses. Water purification tablets are an excellent addition to your kit. These portable and easy-to-store tablets can quickly disinfect questionable water sources, making them safe for consumption. Collapsible water containers are essential for collecting and storing water in a survival situation. These lightweight containers are easy to pack and can hold a significant amount of water, ensuring you have access to this precious resource when it's needed most. Emergency food supply. In an emergency, access to fresh food may be limited or non-existent, making a reliable source of sustenance crucial. Consider including the following items in your survival kit: MREs, meals ready to eat, dehydrated and freeze-dried foods, canned goods, and a food rotation system. Having a well-rounded emergency food supply ensures that you and your family won't go hungry during challenging times. First aid kit. Injuries can occur unexpectedly in any survival situation, making a well-stocked first aid kit indispensable for promptly addressing medical needs. Your first aid kit should contain a variety of items to address injuries and medical concerns. These items include various sizes of bandages, sterile gauze pads, and adhesive tape for wound care. Essential medical tools such as tweezers, scissors, and a thermometer should be included to address various medical concerns. Over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen and acetaminophen can be crucial for managing pain and fever. Multi-tool and survival knife. Versatile tools like a multi-tool and a high-quality survival knife are invaluable for various survival tasks. A multi-tool should include features such as knife blades, pliers, screwdrivers, can and bottle openers, and a saw blade. These tools can help with tasks like cutting, building shelter, and repairing equipment. A reliable survival knife is equally important for cutting, chopping, and even self-defense if necessary. Look for a durable and sharp knife that can withstand the rigors of survival situations. Fire-starting tools. Fire is essential for warmth, cooking, and water purification in survival situations. Therefore, it's crucial to have reliable fire-starting tools in your survival kit. Consider including waterproof matches, which can ignite even when wet, ensuring you can start a fire in adverse conditions. Additionally, a fire starter kit, which may include fire starters, tinder, and flint and steel, provides multiple methods to ignite a fire when traditional methods fail. These tools are a literal lifesaver in cold environments and are essential for cooking, purifying water, and providing comfort during challenging situations. Communication equipment. Communication is a lifeline during emergencies, enabling you to receive crucial information and call for assistance. Your survival gear should include battery-powered or hand-crank radios, which provide access to emergency broadcasts and important updates during power outages or disasters. An emergency whistle is another valuable item that can signal for help if you're in distress and unable to communicate verbally. To keep your essential communication devices powered up when the grid is down, consider including a portable charger or solar-powered charger in your kit. Being able to communicate and receive information is essential for making informed decisions and staying safe during emergencies. Shelter and warmth. Protecting yourself from the elements is essential for survival. Ensure you have the following items for shelter and warmth. Lightweight, portable tents or tarps can provide shelter from rain, wind, and extreme temperatures. These versatile tools offer protection from the elements and help maintain body temperature. A quality sleeping bag rated for the expected temperature conditions can keep you warm and comfortable during cold nights. Choose a sleeping bag that suits the climate you anticipate facing. In cold climates, a portable heater or heat source is invaluable in preventing hypothermia and frostbite. Proper heating can be a lifesaver when temperatures plummet. Additionally, pack extra clothing suitable for the climate, including layers for insulation and moisture-wicking materials to stay dry. Navigation and signaling. Understanding your location and having the means to communicate for assistance are critical aspects of survival. In your survival gear, be sure to include a compass and detailed maps of your area to navigate effectively. A handheld GPS device provides precise location information and helps you track your route, especially in unfamiliar or adverse conditions. Additionally, consider including flares or signaling devices, which serve the dual purpose of attracting attention and alerting others to your location. These navigation and signaling tools are vital for ensuring your safety and increasing the likelihood of being found and rescued if you become lost or stranded in the wilderness or during an emergency situation. Self-defense items. In certain emergency scenarios, personal safety may become a pressing concern. While it's always best to avoid dangerous situations, having self-defense items readily available can offer peace of mind and an additional layer of security in uncertain and potentially dangerous situations. Consider including non-lethal options like pepper spray, which can temporarily incapacitate an assailant, providing an opportunity to escape. If you are comfortable with firearms and it is legal in your area, a firearm can be an option for self-defense as a last resort. However, responsible ownership and proper training are paramount in this case. In the face of natural disasters, civil unrest, and unexpected emergencies, being prepared is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Preppers understand the importance of having the right gear to survive and thrive in challenging situations. By carefully selecting and maintaining these items, you can increase your chances of weathering any storm and protecting yourself and your loved ones when it matters most. Remember, preparedness is not a one-time effort but an ongoing commitment to staying ready for whatever challenges may come your way. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe. See you in the next video.